Okay, so here we are. This is 758 South 300 North in Hurricane. Just a street view here. Here's the house. It's a corner lot, so you just have the one neighbor to the side. Right across the street is a baseball diamond. In walking distance to a little playground park there, called the Stout Memorial Park. Kind of sits up and elevated from the street. Just actually gives it some pretty nice views from the back. Got plenty of parking here. 2-car garage. Nice long driveway. And you could probably put something there if you needed to. Got about 10 feet. A doggy neighbor. All right, so this is tiled floors. One of the bedrooms is right here. Yeah, that's right. The electricity's turned off for whatever reason. But the carpet looks clean. The walls look clean. This would be one of the 4 bedrooms. Nice built-ins. We have a coat closet. This is the great room and kitchen. Nice size room. So coming down here, this would be bedroom number 3. This would be bedroom number 4. It's just the mirror image of the other bedroom. This wing of the house would share this bathroom. Actually, all 3 bedrooms, I guess, on this side would share this. It's got granite, a tub, tiled shower. It's pretty nice stuff. Let's get a little linen closet here. Okay. This is the pantry. And over here, we have the master. Laundry room. Can't really see much in there. Without light. This is a 2-car garage. Pretty standard. So decent sized backyard. You get some nice views. This is offered at $2,200 a month. Super clean. Would get the job done. All right, I'll get this sent over to you.